Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. I am all cozied up with a delicious cup of tea. I'm actually enjoying some Japanese sencha tea from David's Tea. It's a very wintry day here and I thought, you know what better day than to film a David's Tea haul video. So of course, I have a big box of David's Tea goodies to share with all of you. And this is actually an extra special package because this is actually a welcome gift from David's Tea. I was recently approved to be an ambassador for David's Tea, which if you followed me literally from one of my first videos, I have been drinking David's Tea even longer than that first video. So I'm super honored and so excited to get to be an ambassador and to enjoy more David's Tea and all the love of it. I've been such a huge fan for such a long time. Some of you might know I've been an affiliate in the past, so this is just honestly so exciting. So before I even get started, just a huge thank you for my tea community on here. I wouldn't have this opportunity without each and every one of you, and a huge thank you to David's Tea for making this David's Tea fan so excited. Like, I am so thrilled to open this up with all of you and to film some fun tea content. And I think my dog Alice, who's barking right now, is equally excited too. I think she also wants to come up and say hi to you. So Alice and Dinah are coming here to say hello, and I think they're kind of having a little sisterly rivalry fight. Alice and Dinah, my two rescue dogs, came up here to say hello to you. Are you excited about the David's Tea? Yeah, there's lots of teas inside there. Are you excited to see them? Yeah. So anyway, without further ado, let's get started with today's David's Tea haul unboxing. And of course, make sure to grab your own delicious cup of tea. Virtual cheers. Let's get started. All right, so let's open this up. I love that Alice and Dinah here. I don't know if you guys can see them. I'm kind of looking in the viewfinder. I can't tell if you can see them or not, but it would be kind of cute if you can. So here we have a little, oh, the detox and cleanse. Yeah, because we're in January. This is that wonderful time of the year to reset. And there's so many good teas, especially like during cold season. I know a lot of people have been getting sick. Cold 911 from David's Tea is kind of my go-to tea when I'm kind of under the weather or not feeling that great. I love it. And then they used to, I think they still have this tea, Super Ginger. It's really good too. I really like that one. All right, so the first item we have here, oh my goodness, it's this amazing tote bag. It says David's Tea with the little cup in the classic David's Tea teal color. Let's open it up. Oh, it's a really nice canvas tote bag. So here's a look. I'll hold it up on the screen so you guys can see it. It has some really nice straps up at the top. It has two side pockets, so that's kind of fun. You can put like a little tea in there, or maybe even you can put, like, if you have a David's Tea tumbler, you could put one in here and one on this side and go have a little tea picnic somewhere. Put some books in here. It's a really nice size inside. Oh my gosh, and they even have a little place where you can put your keys on. That's awesome. This is like a great bag. They call it the tea bag. And then there's little compartments here. I don't know if you guys can see up at the top where you can put some of your tea supplies in here. You can make tea on the go, or I mean, you could also put some of your other items in here. This is a great size bag. Oh my gosh, I really love this. I'm definitely going to put this to use. As you guys know, I'm a full-time university student right now, so I could also put my laptop in here, put a tea in there, some extra teas to enjoy to go. This would be perfect. I love how cheerful this color is, especially on, I think I was mentioning how wintry of a day it is. This is a really nice, vibrant, cheerful color to see too. I'm loving this. This is so cute. So we have that, and then let's move along. So what should we do next? Let's do this. This is a classic. So I am actually so thrilled that this was included in here. This is the Nordic mug. So if you've probably seen on my other David's Tea videos, or just in my videos in general, because I'm always drinking tea, the Nordic mug, it's a glass mug, and it is a beautiful way to make a cup of tea. It comes with its own steeper. It's silver, and it goes inside, and it just steeps beautiful, great loose leaf tea. It's easy to clean, and it's such a classic. And what I love about the glass is you can really see the color of the tea, what it looks like when your tea is finished steeping. And it's just so nice. And mine actually, literally last week, it broke. I've had that for so many years now, and it broke. And then I had another Nordic mug that broke, I think it was a year ago too. And that one I couldn't replace, but this one, it's a classic David's Tea staple. And I think what I'm really excited about is all the teas that we're going to be looking at. They're all very nostalgic teas to me. They're very like classic David's Tea teas. Because I think some of them are going to have some deja vu feeling, some nostalgia feeling for me. Because when I first discovered David's Tea, I think it was 2011. I think it was 2011. I was in college at the time, and my roommate knew I loved tea. I was a big Teopia fan at that time. And she got me hooked on David's Tea, and then slowly I kept trying more teas from them and just falling in love. So we got the Nordic mug. Let me, actually, you know what? Why don't we unbox it right now so you guys can take a look at it? Because I'll probably want to use it after filming this right away. I'm so excited. And I might even use it to show you guys how the teas, like once I show you the teas, how they look when they're steeping. It's really well packaged, as you can see. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so happy to have another one of these back. I miss it. I especially love making my green teas in here, or my oolong teas. Oh, the lid is slightly different from the one I had, so it indents in a little bit. I love that. All right, and then this is this infuser that I was telling you about. So it's a silver infuser. It's great. It's very fine, so nothing gets like kind of fallen out into your tea. So, you know, it's just the perfect amount of size, so no leaves kind of fall through it or anything like that. And that's what it looks like. This is the Nordic mug, and it is in glass. It is so beautiful. And then technically, I have a Nordic mug here. This is from, I want to say it's around 2020. It might have been 2018 or 19 as well. It is the Nordic mug, and it is glass, but it's like a frosted glass, and it has a gold trim and these cute little like polka dots going around it. This is one of my favorite ones too. This one they don't make anymore, but if they ever bring it back, I'd probably buy more just because I think it's so classic and it's so pretty. And oh my gosh, two little pups are cuddled up next to me. Oh, that's so good. I really needed a nice green tea today. So that is so nice, very comforting. We have one more tea ware item, and it looks like a perfect David's Tea spoon. Their perfect spoon, and this basically measures out the perfect amount of loose leaf tea. Oh my gosh, this is a great color too. I was gonna open this up. So this is their perfect spoon. This is a classic color. This is done in silver, and then it has the David's Tea logo on the side here. So if you're wanting to make just the perfect amount of loose leaf tea, this is all you need. You just scoop it in and it will measure it up perfectly. I love using these, especially when I make tea lattes, because I know each time I scoop up the tea, I just need, you know, 4 of these, depending on the tea latte that I'm making, maybe 3. And it's wonderful. It's such a classic. So this is a little look at the perfect spoon. And now we're moving along to the different loose leaf teas. I'm really excited to see which ones they have in here. So, oh my goodness, I literally was just talking about this one, and it is included. So we have Cold 911. This is a herbal infusion tea, and as I mentioned earlier in this video, it is my go-to when I am feeling sick, or I am sick. If I have the flu, if I have a cold, it's a very comforting tea too. In this tea, you have organic peppermint, organic apple, organic eucalyptus, organic juniper berries, organic natural oil, and the natural flavoring. And I just love this tea. I have had this tea in my tea cupboard for, I can't even tell you. I think it's whenever this came out, I bought it, and I've always stocked up on it. It's also a tea I also like to have sometimes in the evenings. I find it's quite a nice calming tea too, but the peppermint taste is really helpful when you're really feeling under the weather. So this is a go-to. This is one I actually already have stocked in my tea cupboard right now. So I love that this is included. And it is such a great staple tea for me personally. Just, it's a nice wellness tea, but it's also just a nice comforting tea. And because it's caffeine free, you can enjoy it in the evening too, which I also really love about this tea. All right, so moving along, we have, this is such a classic. This is Organic Cream of Earl Grey. This has been like a long time David's Tea staple tea. And this makes me think of my dad. He loves this tea from David's Tea, and it's a really good Earl Grey. There's a lot of that bergamot creamy flavor to it. Inside it, we have organic black tea, natural cream of Earl Grey flavoring, corn flowers, and organic marigolds. And David's Tea recommends 1 to 2 perfect spoons of this loose leaf tea. And it's so good. I'm actually really glad I have this because this is a go-to if I have like guests coming over. A lot of my guests really love like an Earl Grey latte. So I love having this on hand to make them a yummy kind of frothy oat milk Earl Grey latte. They really, really enjoy it. All right. And then the next tea I think is perfect for this time of the year. It also makes me think a Valentine's Day too because of the cinnamon and cinnamon hearts, but this is organic cinnamon rooibos chai tea. So you have a nice amount of cinnamon, which is again really good for the cold season because that cinnamon can be really helpful. It's a nice spicy tea. There's a lot of spice to it. This tea is also caffeine free. So if you also are not feeling 100%, I do find the cinnamon and the chai is really, really nice to enjoy in the evening. If you're not feeling well, that could be a really nice tea. But the rooibos gives it a really nice flavor too. But this one makes me think of more of kind of like cinnamon hearts, or like it's very cinnamony, and the chai, like kind of spicy note. I don't actually keep stocked in my tea cupboard, but I'm excited to try it again. I don't think I've had this tea in a long time, like quite a few years. So I'm looking forward to trying it again and seeing what I think. In general, I'm not the biggest rooibos fan, except David's Tea used to have a tea called O Canada Day. I think it was called O Canada Day or O Canada, just O Canada. And it was like a maple rooibos tea, and I was obsessed with that. So I'm gonna try this, see what I think again, and we'll make it. All right, and then the last tea I have to share with you is a fruity green tea. I love green tea. Green tea, oolong teas are like my top favorite types of teas. Now this one, I personally enjoy making it iced. It makes a wonderful iced tea, but it also tastes good hot too if you're wanting that. This is called the Blood Orange Boost Tea from David's Tea, and in it we have apple, green tea, hibiscus blossoms, orange peel, rosemary, natural blood orange flavoring, GABA green tea, roasted chicory root, orange pieces, olive leaves, and stevia extract. This tea, whenever you open it up, whether you have it inside your little tea package here or one of the David's Tea tins, whenever I open it up, I just smell that citrusy orange flavor, and it just makes me like wake up. I also, although like it does have caffeine because it is a green tea, it is a nice kind of morning tea in the summer as well. And just because it kind of has this like nice kind of orange citrusy boost to it. And then it's also nice because it has that orangey flavor to it. You have a little bit of that vitamin C idea as well, which can be really good, especially this time of the year too, with the weather and winter and snow and all that. So this can be a really nice tea to enjoy as well. And that basically is everything inside this David's Tea box. I had really like such a fun time unboxing this with all of you. You can probably see I'm like so excited. I definitely, when I'm done filming this, I'm actually gonna make all these teas, which you probably will have seen, because I'm really excited to tea test them all again. Now some of them, as you guys know, I've already had, but I'm actually excited. I do have some of the green tea, this one, like the Blood Orange Boost, in my tea cupboard, but I haven't made it since the summer, I think. So this is already kind of making me think a little bit of like, you know, because we do have oranges, mandarins, things like that, clementines, like in the wintry season. And I just never really thought about having this time of the year. So I'm looking forward to trying that. Curious to try the Rooibos tea again. I'm very happy to have, of course, the Earl Grey pack in here. I already have a lot of this, the Earl Grey in my tea cupboard, but I'm so excited to have an extra one because I love making, as mentioned, Earl Grey lattes for my loved ones when they come over. It's so much fun. And then, of course, cold 911. It's kind of funny because I literally just got over a cold. I think it was like last week. It was not that bad though. Like it was really very mild, but cold 911 helped me get through it. So I'm so thankful for having a little bit more of this tea because I went through quite a lot of cold 911 already. So I'm good. It's good to stock up on this too. I would love to know if you have picked up anything recently from David's Tea. Please let me know down below. And David's Tea was also very kind to give all of you a discount code to use to save 10% off your David's Tea order, your next David's Tea order. And that is the code Fashion Storyteller. I'll also have a link down below in my description where you can find that information as well if you'd like to see it. But a huge thank you again to David's Tea for making this fan's dream come true. Like this was so exciting to open. I just had a really busy week of, you know, school. I had a big presentation to do and it was just so comforting to come home and find this David's Tea box and get to open the teas up. And now I'm literally going to go and make all these teas and tea test them. Like I'm so thrilled about that. Thank you so much, David's Tea. And thank you so much to my lovely tea community on here. I wouldn't have this opportunity without each and every one of you. So Thank you so much. And I hope you're all doing well. You're getting through the winter season. If you're here in Canada like me, we've had such an intense winter season so far. Like, we've had steady snow for quite some time. So it's been a lot, but thankfully there's tea to enjoy to keep us warm and warm at heart. So anyway, I am done rambling. I hope you all have a wonderful, magical rest of your day. Take care. Cheers, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye for now and take care.